Good morning, my beautiful friends, and welcome to our Friday. Today is a really good day. Oi, what's happening, Natalie? Come. Come to Mama. Come. I was saying that is a really good day, and then she cries. Anyway, today is Friday. Caesar is off from work today and tomorrow. I feel energized and... What's wrong, baby? Come. What's happening? What have you done? Oh, you want to give the ball to Rocky? Okay, wait a little. Mommy's gonna help, but you have to be careful, okay? Good. Ja. Muy bien. Better? Now he has his ball. Yeah, and now we can start the vlog. Come. Yeah, so what I was saying, that I have a good feeling about today. I am starting my morning with putting a light coat of makeup, or light coat, I don't know what I'm saying. I mean, I just did the base. I didn't do any of the... I didn't put any mascara or anything, because I think maybe later we're going to the beach. Maybe. And I don't want to have a full face of makeup if I have to go swimming. That's what I wanted to say. And yeah, we had... I'm gonna close the door so I don't wake up Caesar. We had a calm morning, and Natalie slept in, and I slept well, and one more. We had a breakfast, we took out the dog and all of that things. And now I'm gonna do my squat challenge that I have been doing for the last... Today is day 5 of 30. I have a fellow mama friend on Instagram and a vlogger friend of Union Moms, and she was doing this squat challenge, and she challenged me to enter as well. So I have been doing that for the past 4 days, and today is day 5, and I'm supposed to do 45 squats in a row. And yesterday I did 40. No, let me think. Yes, I think it's 45 that I have to do. So that's what I'm gonna do, and later I'm gonna tell you some more plans I have for upcoming videos, and we're gonna talk about fall, and you're gonna get to clean with me a little bit, because today is just a normal day in our lives, and you get to come along, and I will be sharing just about everything that I decide to do today. But yeah, get excited for some fall content coming up, and also for some cleaning with me, and some cute footage of Natalie as well. And yeah, just a normal day in our lives, and I'm happy that you stopped by. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing. I love for you to be a part of our little YouTube family. And as you probably know, I just recently reached 100 subscribers. Yeah, now she's showing me her book. She wants me to read. Yeah, it's Leo. Leo. Solkräm. Yeah. Anyway, I recently reached 100 subscribers, and I have a giveaway going on right now. So I will have the video linked in the description box to enter the giveaway, and I encourage you to do it, because you have until Sunday to enter the giveaway, and I will be announcing the winner on Sunday evening. So head on over to that video if you want to be a part of it. But yeah, let's get started with our day. that was my 45 of today. Jesus. Okay. And now the temperature is rising. I can feel it because this morning was actually quite cool and nice in the air. And I opened all the windows to let the fresh come in. But now the sun is coming out and the temperature is rising again. So it's difficult to get fall feeling, but I'm sure I will. And now I can smell a stinky diaper, so I have to change her. But yeah, as you can see also, her room looks quite bare here on the windows. It was because I discovered yesterday that the dog had come in here and peed on her curtains. He's very humble, my dog. Anyway, so I'm washing her curtains now, and I need to put a second load of laundry. I need to do the dishes from this morning. I need to start preparing lunch and all of that fun things. So yeah, let's see. Laundry is done, and now I need to tackle this beast before I can do anything else. And Natalie is a little bit angry with me. I think that you are starting to be ready for a nap. Huh?
días. Otra vez. Oh. ¿Qué tienes? What do you have? A rabbit. Wow. Can you say good morning again? Say good morning to you. Good morning to you. Hi. Hola, Papa. Have you slept good? Huh? Have you slept good? Ooh. Vill du komma?
Mamma.
Ja. Do you want to come out?
Mamma.
Mama? You want to come out of the bed? Oh. Mommy loves you. Yeah. Vamos a la playa. Let's go to the beach. Nothing. Wrong way. Ay, ay. Why, Papa? Go to his. Go to his. Go to the sensor. What's the name of elevator? Elevator party. Elevator party.
Mira qué cara de party tengo.
I can see it. You are so boring sometimes.
Deja de grabar.
Así mejor. I like it, but no. Yeah. She chose her hat today.
Y luego me cortas. Y luego todo lo que salgo yo lo eliminas.
No, I
Hostia,
never
pero-
take it out. Never.
Mira la cámara.
Okay.
Hace una foto nomás así.
Here we are. Vamos. Let's go to the beach. Did you lock the car? Sure?
Mira, a ver.
No, I can't. I have my hands full.
Mira, no va mal.
Hi guys, it's the next day. It's Saturday and it's about 4:30 in the afternoon and I am so sweaty. So I apologize for my no makeup face, but today has been that kind of day. I have been outside a lot, sweating a lot, and we went to the mercadillo. What is that called in English? It's called marketplace, I think. And I picked up a few things from for my house and a few things for lunch. I'm gonna show you the things that I picked up for the house. It's just 2 lanterns, I think it's called. And yeah, and I also wanted to say that today is Natalie's 16 months old day. She's 16 months old today, and we are just enjoying our day, not doing anything special. I'm gonna show you the things that I bought, and then I'm gonna tell you a couple of things about next week. So hold on. Here we go. I'm gonna try and show you. My arms are not long enough, but here is the lantern I picked up, and I picked up this big one and one in a smaller size, and they were actually quite cheap. This one I paid only 4 euros for because it has a little defect here. As you can see, it's broken a little bit in the glass here, so he gave me a discount for it. But yeah, I'm planning to put like either flowers, like a potted flower, or some artificial candles inside, and I want to have it on my balcony. But yeah, that's a different project. But I picked it up in the Mercadillo, in the marketplace, and the small one was 2 euros. I paid only 2 euros for that. So a very cheap way of sprucing up my place. Yeah, älskling. See, Carino, ¿qué quiere? Natalie is here, kissing on me. My house is a mess. I need to clean. I need to put her curtains back. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here because next week I have a couple of collaboration videos coming your way, and normally I would do a weekend vlog going live on Monday, but because I have a different video going live on Monday, I decided to make this vlog shorter and just share with you my Friday and a little bit of today. And I'm gonna try and edit it now and have it go live tonight or this afternoon, Saturday time. And tomorrow I'm announcing the winner of my giveaway. So keep your eyes open for that video, because if you enter the giveaway, if you won, I will announce it tomorrow. So keep your fingers crossed. And thank you so much for watching today, friends. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. And hello to all you new people. I'm so happy that you decided to subscribe. So yeah, this journey has just begun, and I'm so excited for the fall and for all these new season things. But stop rambling, Lee. Just cut. Yeah. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you guys soon. Much love. Bye.